Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. It is such a delightful day. How about enhancing it by making a mocha delight? So let's get started. Ingredients required for mocha delight are brown bread, whipped cream, coffee, brown sugar, cocoa powder and grated chocolate. First, we'll take half tablespoon brown sugar. If you want it really sweet, take 1 tablespoon. Our whipping cream already has sugar in it, so I'm just going to take half tablespoon. 1 tablespoon coffee and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. We will just blend this once. Once that is done, we are going to add our brown bread. Just cut into small pieces roughly. So I'm going to take 1.5 brown bread. And now just blend this. It should be like this. Don't over mix it. Now we'll start the next step. I have put the whipping cream in the plastic bag and have cut it from the front so that it's easier for layering in the glass. I have taken around half cup of Tropolite whipping cream. I have whipped it for a few minutes and now this is ready. You are just going to whip it till it's stiff. We are going to layer this. So first we'll start putting the bread mixture which we made. So you will put around 1.5 tablespoon. Depends how you all want the layers to be. Then a layer of whipping cream. Then some grated chocolate. Again a layer of whipping cream. A thin layer of whipped cream and some grated chocolate. Our mocha delight is ready. Hope this mocha delight helps you to turn around your summer routine. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.